The Caterpillar D10 2026 Bulldozer is a powerhouse built for the most demanding jobs on Earth. It's not just a machine, it's a legacy, refined and re-engineered for the modern age. This latest version of the D10 line combines raw power, smart technology, and operational efficiency to deliver unparalleled performance in mining, construction, and heavy-duty earth. Let's take a deep dive into what makes this bulldozer one of the most advanced pieces of equipment in Caterpillar's fleet. At first glance, the D10 2026 commands attention with its rugged stance and massive frame. Weighing in at over 154,000 pounds, or about 70 metric tons, this dozer is built for heavy-duty operations. Its signature high-drive undercarriage doesn't just look distinctive, it plays a critical role in improving ground clearance, distributing weight more effectively, and reducing track wear. Caterpillar has long championed this design, and in 2026 it's been further refined to enhance durability and ease of maintenance. At the heart of the D10 lies a Cat C27 engine, delivering a monstrous 766 net horsepower. This turbocharged and aftercooled diesel engine is engineered for fuel efficiency and optimal performance across a range of conditions, whether it's operating in the high-altitude mines of Peru or the sandy terrains of the Middle East. The engine adjusts seamlessly, providing consistent output and reliability. Caterpillar has also integrated its latest Assert technology to lower emissions while maintaining power, helping operators meet global sustainability goals without sacrificing capability. Operator comfort and control take center stage in the 2026 model. The cab is fully redesigned with an emphasis on ergonomics, visibility, and technology. Inside, the operator is greeted with a touchscreen display that provides real-time data, diagnostics, and customizable controls. The new seat-mounted joystick controls are intuitive, reducing fatigue during long shifts and offering precision, even in the most delicate operations. With improved sound insulation, climate control, and air filtration, the D10 ensures the operator stays focused, comfortable, and safe regardless of the external environment. One of the standout features of the D10 2026 is its suite of integrated technologies. Cat Grade with 3D and Cat MineStar are now standard offerings. These smart systems allow operators to follow precise grading patterns and maintain blade angles with millimeter-level accuracy. Using GPS and onboard sensors, the bulldozer can semi-autonomously complete grading tasks, reducing the margin of error and significantly boosting productivity. MineStar further assists with fleet management, productivity tracking, and real-time health monitoring of the machine. These tools aren't just for data collection, they directly impact job site efficiency and cost savings. Another area where the D10 excels is undercarriage innovation. The new AutoLoop system automatically greases key components based on real usage, extending life and reducing maintenance downtime. Track roller frame durability has been improved, and bolt-on modular components allow for easier field servicing. This approach to modularity and serviceability minimizes machine downtime and increases overall machine availability, an essential factor in large-scale operations where every hour counts. In terms of blade and ripper configurations, the D10 remains highly versatile. It can be equipped with a variety of blades, including the universal blade, semi-universal blade, and the specialized coal blade. Each is optimized for different materials and working conditions. The ripper system, typically featuring a single shank or multi-shank setup, provides the penetration and breakout force necessary to handle the toughest substrates. Hydraulic power and precision ensure that the rippers engage smoothly, even in heavily compacted or frozen ground. Fuel efficiency is another highlight. Despite its massive size and output, the D10 2026 is designed to consume up to 10% less fuel than previous generations. Thanks to advanced combustion technology and intelligent power management systems, Eco Mode dynamically adjusts power based on load demands, striking a balance between performance and savings. The result is a machine that not only performs better but also costs less to run over its operational life. Caterpillar has also invested in improving safety systems on this model. The new ROPS cab structure is stronger than ever, while visibility has been enhanced with additional cameras, LED lighting, and a redesigned hood profile. These changes give operators a clear view of the worksite, minimizing blind spots and reducing the risk of accidents. Ground-level service points and wider access platforms make daily checks and maintenance safer and faster. For those working in remote or hazardous locations, remote diagnostics and software updates over cellular or satellite connections are available. This allows fleet managers and maintenance crews to stay ahead of potential issues, keeping machines running at peak performance with minimal hands-on intervention. Another important improvement is the D10's sustainability focus. In addition to lower fuel consumption and emissions, Caterpillar has increased the percentage of recyclable materials in its manufacturing process. Used components can now be returned through CAT's Remon program, where they are rebuilt to like new condition, reducing waste and conserving raw materials. It's a reflection of the growing importance of life cycle thinking in heavy equipment, design and operation. In the field, the D10 continues to prove its worth. From high-production mining operations to large infrastructure projects, this machine delivers consistent results. Operators often comment on the power-to-weight ratio, the responsiveness of the controls, and the smoothness of operation, even in challenging terrain, whether pushing tons of overburden or ripping through rocky formations. The D10's performance inspires confidence. Caterpillar has always been a leader in heavy equipment, and the D10 2026 is a clear example of how innovation, customer feedback, and cutting-edge technology come together to shape the future of Earth. It's more than just a bulldozer, it's a platform for productivity, a partner in progress, and a testament to what's possible when engineering meets real-world need. Whether you're managing a massive mine site or preparing terrain for a mega project, the D10 gives you the power, precision, and reliability to get the job done right. As industries continue to evolve, the Caterpillar D10 2026 stands ready, embodying strength, intelligence, and resilience in every pass, every push, and every rip. This is the future of heavy equipment, and it's here today.